So we are the Portland Avalanche. We are a team from Portland, Oregon. We are the smallest metropolitan city in the U.S. to have a gay rugby team. We learn as a team from playing in our games the best. And so when we play against a team that's got a lot of experience like the Fog, it's going to be, I think it's going to be a great learning experience for us.
Let's go 1-3, boys. 1, 2, 3.
Row, row, row!
Go with the Ocho! Get in there! Whoa! Get with him! Get with him! Get there! We're breaking down there, Danny. We're breaking down the rough, Danny X. Got it! Nice hit. Hit him. Take him down. Clear. Hey. Go in. I got it. Jamaica White. Out. Up!
They kept the ball away from us, which was a good ploy on their part, but now we're starting to get on top of them. Keep that rolling. That's it. Bring it in, guys. On 3.
Here we go, lads.
2, 3.
Roll, Bob, roll!
Avalanche, blue lightning! Shit, hey, ball! Yeah, hey! Mark! Take it, Michael! Take it! He's coming to your face! Keep it! Get with him!
Well done. We had some trouble, we got over it. We had some more trouble, we got over it again.
You suck.
Let's go. 3 cheers for Portland. Hip!
Hooray! Hooray! Hooray!
3 cheers for the Rev. Hip!
Hooray! Hooray! Hooray!
On us. 1, 2, 3.
Roll, roll!
Hold on.
Is that limp for real? Huh? Is that limp for real?
Good job, boys. Line up here. I know.
Is it floater or is it straight with a wrap?
You know what?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.